morning to one and all present here. Today's assembly brought to you by grade 5 students. Silent prayer. தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் மதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிதில் எக்கணமும் அதிசிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறைநுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் வழக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே ஒரு சீரிழமை திறமையான செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே.
School song.
God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. He shapes my deeds pure, inspires me to rise, aspire and achieve through hill and dale. Inspires me to rise, aspire and achieve through hill and dale. The flames of Shri Shakti will lead me on the path. The flames of Shri Shakti will lead me on the path of virtue, wisdom and truth. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it, rich in varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. India well-being, prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Today's assembly theme is the power of enthusiasm. Thoughts for the day.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இன்றைய தமிழ் சிந்தனை. இன்றைக்கும் உனது கதிர்களால் என்னை வரவேற்கும் ஆதவனே, எனது நேற்றைய கவலைகள் இலைகளில் ஒட்டியிருக்கும் பனித்துளிகள். அவை உனது வரவில் விலகுவதை நான் வரவேற்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Hi, I am Samyukta of grade 5. Let me share you some thoughts for the day. Every man is the architect of destiny, meaning your own action and decision decide what you achieve or don't in life. Actions speak louder than words, meaning action or better reflection of one's character because it's easy to say things but difficult to act on them and follow through. Thank you.
Happy morning everybody, I am Monisha from grade 5, here to share you one of the most meaningful quote given us by Swami Vivekananda. How to achieve your goal? Here is a way. Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, and live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of our body be full of that idea. And just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. That is the way great spiritual giants are produced. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम दीपना है। मैं 5 कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। आज का इच्छा होता है उत्साह हासिल बिना कुछ भी अच्छा हासिल नहीं होता। इंग्लिश मीनिंग ऑफ enthusiasm. Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. உற்சாகத்தின் தமிழ் விளக்கம். உற்சாகம் இல்லாமல் நம்மால் பெரிய இலக்கை அடைய முடியாது. धन्यवाद. हिंदी पोम.
नमस्ते, मेरी नाम ऋतन्या, मैं 5 कक्षा है पढ़ती हूँ। आज का कविता उत्साह। मन में एक उत्साह रहे, खुद पर अपना विश्वास रहे। असंभव उदी संभव योगा, चाहे क्यों ना दुश्मनों की दीवार है। English meaning of poem, enthusiasm. Have enthusiasm in your mind. Believe yourself. The impossible will be possible, even if there is a wall of enemies. கவிதை உற்சாகத்தின் தமிழ் விளக்கம். உங்கள் மனதில் உற்சாகத்தை வைத்திருங்கள். உங்களை நீங்களே நம்புங்கள். எதிரிகளின் சுவர் நம்மை சுற்றி இருந்தாலும் சாத்தியமில்லாததும் சாத்தியமாகும். தன்யவாத்.
திருக்குறள்.
வணக்கம், என் பெயர் வைஷாலினி. நான் 5ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கின்றேன். திருக்குறள். உள்ளற்க உள்ளம் சிறுகுக கொள்ளற்க அல்லற்கண் ஆற்றறுப்பார் நட்பு. குறள் 798. பொருள். உற்சாகம் குறைவதற்கான செயல்களை எண்ண வேண்டாம். நம் துன்ப காலத்தில் நம்மை கைவிட்டு விடுபவரின் நட்பை கொள்ள வேண்டாம். நன்றி.
Story time.
I had many elephants, but one elephant was very powerful, very obedient, very skillful, and the best in the fighting skills. In many wars, he was sent on the battlefield and he would return only after being victorious. He was the most loved elephant of the king out of hundreds and thousands. Time went by and the elephant started getting old. The king did not send him to the battlefield anymore, but he still remained a part of the king's team. Because whenever the king saw him, he felt good, he felt happy. The elephant once went to the lake for a drink. His feet got stuck in the mud there and he started sinking into it. He tried a lot, but he couldn't pull himself out of the mud. People around knew the elephant was in trouble by the sound of his screams. This news also reached the king. There was panic because everybody knew he was the king's favorite. The king reached there, and all other people gathered around the elephant and made various efforts to get him out. But there was no way out. It was not some small animal, it was an elephant. In the meantime, an old retired minister from the king's court was passing by. After understanding the situation, he spoke to the king and suggested that the battle drums be played around the lake. The listeners found bizarre. However, as soon as the drums of war started ringing, there was a change in the behavior of the troubled elephant. The elephant slowly stood up and then pulled himself out of the mud on his own. Everybody around was shocked. There wasn't a lack of physical ability in the elephant. Just the need to infuse enthusiasm within was required, and that was done. To maintain enthusiasm in life, it is necessary that humans maintain a purposeful thinking and mindset and do not let despair dominate. Now, why did I tell you all this story? In today's challenging times, we all need to infuse enthusiasm in ourselves and the people around us. By playing these battle drums, we need to celebrate abundance of good health, joy, happiness, love, and we have to stop talking about these tough times and how these tough times have been treating us. There is a lot of good happening, guys. We have to see it, and let's be grateful for it.
Quiz.
Happy morning, students. Now we are going to see a quiz based on computer. First question, a computer is an dash device. Option A, electronics, software. Option C, automatic. Think and say. Yeah, the answer is electronic device. Next question, what is the full form of RAM? Reliability, availability and maintainability. Option B, random access memory. Option C, rarely adequate memory. What's the answer? Answer is random access memory. A desktop computer, also known as option A, laptop. Option B, palm top. Option C, PC. What's the correct answer? The correct answer is PC. Next question. Brain of the computer is option A, mouse. Option B, keyboard. Option C, CPU. Yeah, the answer is CPU. Now next question. CPU stands for option A, control processing unit. Option B, central processing unit. Option C, call processing unit. What is the right answer? CPU stands for central processing unit. It's the right answer. Next question. Expansion of DVD. Option A, digital video disc. Option B, digital video decoder. Option C, drive video disc. What is the answer? DVD. Answer is digital video disc. Option A. Next question. RAM is a dash memory. Option A, volatile. Option B, non-volatile. Option C, short. What is the answer? RAM is a volatile memory. RAM is a volatile memory. Next question. What does ROM stands for? ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. Option A. Option B, read only media. Option C, read only member. ROM. 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 Answer is read only memory. Next question. Which is the input device that allows the user to move the cursor or pointer on the screen? Option A, microphone. Option B, CPU. Option C, mouse. Pointer, it denotes the pointer. So what is the answer? Answer is mouse, correct. Next question. Which programming language is used in Greenfoot? Option A, QBasic. Option B, Java. Option C, HTML. The programming language is Java. We are using Java. Thank you, students.
News.
Happy morning, everybody. Today's news. International news. Russia launches cargo ship to space station. National news. PM Modi addresses medical fraternity on National Doctors Day. Drones again spotted hovering over military and air force establishments in Jammu. Sports news. Williamson back to top of ICC test ranking. Kohil remains fourth. Tokyo extend coronavirus curbs into Olympic period. That's all for today's news. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Birthday wishes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Brain yoga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. National anthem.